Mamma mia. Ain't hear shit. Boy, on mute.
Yep.
Yo.
What's up, bro?
What's up, dog?
If trying to make it happen with this rap and stuff.
Hey, what you said?
Trying to make it with this rap career.
Oh,
Hold on.
what's up, Blake?
Hold on.
What's wrong? What's wrong? Boy, you crazy. Mm-mm. So I don't like it. I do like it, but I don't like it. How we close Friday.
Fucking with it, bro.
Huh?
Fucking with it.
Yeah, yeah. We gonna continue to sell, but we're gonna probably rebound a little bit. I don't trade on Mondays, dog, so I'm gonna let it do whatever it's gonna do Monday.
It's gonna do it in a sleazy way.
But I ain't. But see, what I learned is the Monday night going into Tuesday,
Mm-hmm.
we get a nice move. Like the evening session going into the Tuesday morning session, we get a nice move, whether it be to the upside or the downside. So I'm going to work tomorrow. I ain't trading tomorrow. I only got 2 uniforms left.
Uh-oh. Might be what you need, bro.
Hmm?
It might be what you need.
Yeah. So on a weekly, dog. So just we close below. We close below. We close
Yeah.
below. No, yeah. So the top of the red candle is an order block. Traded straight through that shit. The second red candle in a trend right there. Another order block traded straight through that shit. Then we close below it. So now I'm assuming that we might come all the way back up to 44.32.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, 44.32, 44.35 in that area. Cause that's an order block now. So that's gonna be resistance. And I'm assuming we're gonna fill this gap,
Which one?
that monthly gap.
Oh, I ain't even go that way. Hold on.
I'm assuming we're gonna fill that gap, dog. The money don't like to leave gaps.
And then I got this. This is okay. Make sure I save it. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Poetry. EMA
The
and
gap, so I think
I would buy this.
that's gonna be the bottom. I Niggas calling the bottom already. I don't think that's the bottom. This the bottom gonna be down there, because the money,
42.72.
yeah. Because I monthly, dog, we gonna fill that gap, bro. How many gaps you see on a monthly chart?
All right. They don't
That's what
stick
I'm
around
saying.
long.
They don't.
Not
Yeah.
stick around too long.
We'll fill that bitch on the first candle. And then
Mm,
it's go. Then it's gonna go. Then it's probably gonna go
basic.
back to the upside. Yeah.
So you could just play this next week. You
Yeah.
could pay 73
Play the rebound. Play the
all the
rebound.
way back to
I'll play the
70.
rebound. The top of the rebound. So we rebound back to 44.35 or something like that. Then you sell that bitch all the way down. Buy you some puts, buy you some fucking puts, an SPX or SPY, and then sit in them bitches. And just let them bitches keep rolling. Like Tina Turner. Yes, sir.
I don't like that.
I believe that's the trade.
I think it is. I forgot about that monthly. Have a monthly chart.
Yes, sir. That's it right there.
Monthly basically 2 weekly levels, huh?
Yep. So then after we feel that gap, and rebound, we're gonna probably rebound to
And it closing. Oh well, it didn't close inside because the month not done yet. So
yeah.
let's see if it closed right here. It's a show field.
Yeah. But you could look at the weekly. You could look at the weekly telling you the story of the monthly. So the weekly, and then the daily telling you, okay, the daily saying, okay, we're gonna rebound. So you can play the rebound. But the overall, the overall tone of the market is bearish to me.
Definitely could do this next week too, bro.
44, what's the top of that monthly? 44.72? 44.82. No, 42.82, I meant to say. That's the top of the monthly gap, right? I mean, that's the fill. That's the fill I meant to say.
Give me. Oh yeah. Oh, let's see. 42. Yeah.
That's the fill, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Definitely could do that next week. Come up, hit that order block, boom, sell.
Yeah, you could get in
Right
at
there.
44.19. I'll play the EMA.
Well, I'm taking it from 44.36 up there.
36.
Yeah, we get up there. Probably gonna open the week. Probably gonna open the week to the upside.
You might have to go off for the days too to see if it's
Mhm.
gonna try to push and touch this candle not to make a weekly gap.
That's a perfect entry right there. I don't see it going no higher than that candle. The wick of that candle.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Daily, you gotta get past this.
What? Let me see. Let me see something. Okay. Yeah. It's gonna be easy, bro. It's gonna be easy. Come back up. So look for yeah. There's a gap. We got a gap right there.
Yeah,
So
go.
what's that gap fill, bro?
On which one?
That gap fill, that gap we just made on the daily. To your right.
Right here?
No, the other one to the upside. The one above it. Right above it.
Right here?
Yeah, from week to week. Yeah. To the top of that gap.
Um,
44, 46. Okay.
uh,
Okay.
I don't think it's gonna do it need to come up there. Probably like this gap right here. This one fill and put you right where you need to be.
That's what I'm saying. So what I noticed,
Little.
what I learned about gaps is if you got two gaps on top of each other like that, the market tends to go to the higher gap. So the higher gap, so the higher, yeah. So we'll see. Like I said,
You can. I'm about to tell you, this one could touch and bounce.
that's what I,
So
yeah.
small though, bro. I
I
would.
think I think Monday and Tuesday is gonna be kind of dry as far as
You
trading.
say
Yeah, it's gonna be kind of dry unless we get a big move tomorrow. Then I'll be like, okay, a big move to the upside. They'll be like, all right, well,
how many
fuck,
points is this?
we're gonna pick up these orders to
47 to 33. Mm,
we got news this week. Let me see.
a lot of traffic you had to break through, bro.
Monday,
Weekly level,
Tuesday.
top of this Monday gap, and then you got two daily gaps. They had to push through all that. I don't know. I
All right.
I'd be selling right here. I would think if you wait on this 44, 45, that could happen on
Mm-hmm.
news day. But I think if we just trade and they run up here and they ain't got no news around, the initial touch for it should sell off. Come try to get under here. And from there down here, the big picture is think all these like so how this one stopped and bounced for that day.
Mm-hmm.
The next time it goes down there, it's just gonna go through it. Because the bigger picture is sell off. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I don't think this gonna hold too long.
Yeah, we're gonna
I
feel
don't
that
think
gap.
this. I don't think this one gonna hold. If it stops here on the day,
Mm-hmm.
next day it should just go
Yeah.
through it.
And in the candles telling the story, you could just look at it and tell. Just look at the symmetry of the candle. It won't that gap fill. Closed inside it. We closed inside it. What that was Thursday and Friday. We might not even get out there, bitch.
Yeah, I see it.
We might not even get
You
out.
can wait on
We
this
might
one.
wick out of it.
I'm taking 44.20. I even try to. I mean, you got your stop loss in place. I think you got to sell the 44.11, like right here. This
Mm-hmm.
wick you was talking about last time.
Mm-hmm.
You got to sell this. That's that's the top of the gap. It
Yeah.
broke it. You got to sell that when it comes back up there. So it's a game of with this one. Don't take no big losses on it because you got three trades that you could possibly be selling from. But I would sell all of them because all of them have a good case. You sell this, if your stop loss hit, you sell this weekly, and then your third sale is like up here. So either that's the difference right here. Right here what you was talking about. I
Yeah.
don't even think you sell this field. And for what it's worth, let me see. You got 44, 9, 11 to 84, 30 points. If you want to sit in the whole thing and just take this first one, you put one contract right here. They have you like five of them up here. And just take your stop loss off.
Boy, that's a recipe for disaster.
Huh?
That's a recipe for disaster.
What, take the stop loss off?
Yeah.
No, I'm saying till it come pick you up here. Cause all you'll do, what'll happen is you'll get picked up here. That bitch will run a little bit. Let's say you get out, right?
Gonna be a turn
Then
around.
it's gonna like you have to get out so early to where you go down like $200. You had to get right back in because it could turn around. It could still turn around right here and just be a wick. Like soon as you get out on all of them, or you just wait and be like, I missed it. That's it. Like try to get the high.
This the daily. This the daily. I think we could find a better entry on a smaller time frame, like the 1 hour or the 4 hour.
Yeah, is
Like,
it temporary or is the because even with them, you could go down to even with them. Oh, even with that, they still got like all these same spots you gotta sell. You selling this, right?
yeah, that'll be a good
Are
sale.
you
Right?
are you selling this? Another good one.
That gap fill. Okay.
So they have a few of them. This a gap. This a 4 hour right here, and it didn't already bounced.
It did.
You get what I'm saying? So like
It did. Damn, that bitch came to 50% of that gap. Jesus.
that one, that one closed.
So yeah, it probably gonna.
Shit.
So we got a good chance of it coming back up there, dog. So like I said, it ain't gonna. I don't think we're gonna open the week selling.
If you can load the boat on, oh no, hold on, not load the boat. If you can get some profit going up, then you sell. Then you have some liquid to sell all these other ones. Like you get a closure in here, and you can play this 4 hour gap to fill. So what the 4 hour is, 89 to 05. That's 20
Mhm.
points. So you get a closure inside this 4 hour gap, play that up. Because like you said, temporarily
The
we can
move to
go
the
up
upside.
and
Right.
check some shit off.
Yeah. But I think we're gonna end this month filling that gap down to that monthly gap. We're gonna end the month filling that.
Or just close right there.
No, I'm just saying. So basically, if you want to play it to the upside gonna be temporary, like we was just saying.
Right.
But the trade is to the downside.
Yes. Yes. So that one, this fill, you're probably gonna get if this 4 hour fill, it look like right here, 44.16. It'll still run to that.
Yep.
The same thing. You got another small.
And then that's 50% of that gap too. So that might be a sell, a good sell. I'm not gonna say that's the sell.
They got so many of them bitches that it could sell from. Now I say it's gonna be fighting a fight to get back up here. I said you're probably gonna have like if you're trying to get the right one or you trying to wait on the right one, you can either miss it and just take the highest point of the sale, or one of those might be a loss for you. You got to wrap that in your mind so you don't go as heavy on those lower numbers. That's all I was saying when I was saying get rid of the stop loss.
Oh yeah,
Like
okay.
you can't go. I don't plan on taking none of those lower ones on like a full contracts.
Right. So that's
Just
like
be yeah.
1-2 contract. Okay.
So if you really want to be dirty, go get you a mini. Get you get you 2 minis. Then you can just sit in the whole move. You get something out of it. You'll be like a little scavenger at that point.
No, I don't want to do that.
What number I was looking for, bro? Ah, man, that's another 4 hours. Like you said, go to the second one.
Mm-hmm.
Bam. If it feel this, I'm not even playing the
Right
bounce.
there,
I'm not playing the bounce on this one.
44.11. That might be the sell. 40 right there, 44.16. Because that's
Oh,
that
yeah,
weekly.
yeah.
That's that weekly swing low.
Yeah. Say you got there. It can give you the field. Because my level is
Oh,
not the wick. My level is 44.20. But now you're 10 points down. You dig? 10 points at one contract, they're like 500. So do you see if it keep running or it turns around, but you have to, hold that 500 on your head. I don't know you want that.
uh,
You got the daily right here. What up, buddy? Yeah, this one's gonna be interesting.
yeah. So I don't trade on Mondays, like I said, though. I'm gonna watch the price action because Mondays really don't be about nothing. But then Wednesday, that Tuesday, like when the market open back up on Monday evening at 5, going into Tuesday, the night from 5 to what 6 in the morning or whatever, you get a nice move. So I'm not trading on I learned my lesson. I'm not trading on Monday.
I really do like up here too, bro.
Yeah, that might be it.
Area right here.
We gotta let it do what it's gonna do. I'm gonna let it run because I know ultimately I know where it's going. We gonna fill that gap.
Right. If they give me the entry, if I get entry, I'll play this. I'll play this one little gap right here, bro.
Yeah,
If I could just get that, if I could get a good close to where they allow me to get this whole move, like it closed right here,
and then come back.
I'm gonna play this whole box.
Yeah, that's a nice trade.
And then if I could get that money, I'll wait. Even if I don't get picked up, I'll just wait at 44.20.
What, 44.6 to 43.90?
If I could get
43.90
43.90,
to
I
44.
am to 44.6.
Okay.
I'm waiting for a closure inside that 4 hour gap, and then I'll play both sides of the box. So I'll try to get picked up at 43.90, and then I get out right here, or at least hug it, because it could be a crazy candle to where it just run. I'll be trailing the fuck out of it in case it decides to just keep on going. But if I could get this gap, then I won't be selling this one. I'll just come to my top number and be like, all right, you can pick me up, you can miss me. I already made some type of money. Now, if this candle crazy and I don't get an entry on it, I might end up taking the 44.11 sale, or I might be anxious to do one of them. Because it could sell from either one. That's what. This could keep selling right now.
Yeah, I think we're gonna rebound.
1, 2, and then I think this was 1, 2. You got 3 of them. And you know I'm gonna be watching this, Mike.
That wick.
You know this EMA. This
Oh yeah.
The EMA break. Yeah, now.
But yeah, so
Uh,
tomorrow, well, we got how many more trading days we got left in the month?
10?
Hold up. I'm about to look right now.
11.
We
It'll
got
be 10. It'll be 10. Well, no, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got 9.
9 trading days left.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that it might want to do that shit in a hurry because after that, murder she wrote. That bitch gonna dirty wine down to the weekly, monthly gap fill. Dirty wine.
Yeah, 42.76.
Dirty wine.
They go to kicker. That motherfucker come way back to this 57.
It could.
I might not trade to next one.
It could. Now, if it does that, load the man. Look, get in your buy puts.
Might not,
Everybody
yeah.
buy. If you trade SPX, buy, nigga. I don't care what you trade. Buy puts.
You said at what level?
We saying close this potential gap at 44.58.
Yeah.
I'm saying if we get up that high,
Puts.
I'm going to be fucked because I just sold possible levels. Got
At
cooked
44.2,
No,
yeah.
but look, Win, here's the kicker. You're gonna get a reaction off of all those levels.
enough. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So it might not be the sell of all sales, but you're gonna get a reaction from them bitches to where
Right.
you could get in profit and be like, all right, well fuck, the bitch ain't selling yet, but fuck, I made 800.
Another way to do that, to see if it's gonna do it, is you can how I might look at it. I'm gonna be on a 10-minute and a 60-minute anyway. So
Squeeze
like
that chart, bro. Squeeze it a little
squeeze
bit.
this hourly. This
Squeeze
one,
it a little bit. Yeah. All right. That's cool. That's cool.
I
Oh,
might just be playing this the whole time.
okay.
Like on the 10-minute or the hourly. Preferably the hourly, because it could go a while. I even know that 4 hour. Between the hourly and the 4 hour, I just watch the EMA. So if it breaks and it don't break back underneath, I probably won't start selling until it gets to that high, to the 44.57. You get what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Like we keep on tabbing on it. I get out right here. They come back down and don't break underneath it, then I'm gonna say, all right, it might be going to 57 or something like that.
Yeah.
I think which one is it? Oh, it's unknown, all of them. Huh?
Hey, do me a favor. I know we don't normally do this, dog, but I need a favor.
You want to turn it into?
Go to the 5-minute right quick. All right. Squeeze the chart for me to make the sockets so we can see.
More?
That's cool. That's cool. Okay. Okay. All right.
Delete all this.
There you go.
I'm gonna delete all this.
That's a 5-minute trend though, son. That don't really.
It's selling. but it'll break back above it.
That
Too.
bitch might ride that trend line all the way up.
Yeah. I'll break it and run.
Mm-hmm.
Need to get down here. That was small. Gotta make sure I'm saving none of this. I know I just deleted.
Yeah. I think we opened up the week to the upside, going to the upside.
Yeah, I want that. I just want that closure on
We
that.
might not get much. We might not get much, much movement tonight, to be honest. But we definitely gonna open the week to the upside, in my opinion. But I've been wrong before. But that's yeah. So look, all right. So we reverse. We reverse the trend. The trend ain't broke yet. The three green candles in a row. The market is showing a willingness to stay above this shit inside the trend. So yeah, we're probably gonna go to the upside.
It got a lot
Because you look, because we created the last couple of trade. Let me see. This the 1 hour. I'm tripping. So yeah, we created a trend going back to the upside. The market showed the willingness to stay inside that trend and not break it to the downside. So now, yeah, I believe we're going to the upside. First stop is probably 43.97, something like that. Well, it's probably going to trade straight through that. It's probably going to trade straight through that 50% of that gap.
through all of these, right?
Yeah, I believe so.
Yeah, you're gonna get some. I think
you're gonna get a reaction.
You're gonna get the same little push though.
Yeah, you'll get a
maybe
reaction.
do it like you said, it do it cleaner.
Yeah.
Do a little bit cleaner, but you're probably gonna get 5 instead of these 8. You probably gonna get these 4 reds. You probably gonna get like 7 greens over here until it get to right here.
It's gonna move
at the top.
It's gonna move
and clean all that shit up.
And the reason why I say it's gonna move, like probably Monday night going into Tuesday, is because on the weekly, we no, on the daily, my bad, on the daily, we had to get all the liquidity from the downside. So now we got to bring that liquidity somewhere else to the upside. Remember, I was telling, that's why I kept saying 44.11. So
come on, buddy.
So below that low right there, at 44.11, that's where your sell side liquidity is. So now all we're doing is collecting orders to bring it back to the upside. So the upside, we should go no higher than 44.57, in my opinion. Now, if we do go higher, I see us stopping right here at this order block at what that is, 44.80. What that is, 44.70.
Oh yeah.
Right here, that order block right there. To your right.
Here?
To your right. Right there.
Yeah.
What's the opening of that candle?
85.
Yeah. I think that's the highest. In my opinion. That's the highest we could go. But the other time frames telling us lower, like 57 and 20. So when we start getting to those levels that we're talking about at 20 and what we're trying to sell from, we got to just watch how the market reacts to it. So if the market reacts to it and it's like, okay, let's just say we get to 44.20 of what's this, the bottom of this wick right here, 44.35 or something like that.
Oh yeah, right here. What wick?
To your right, where your blue box is. Yeah. 44.46. We gotta watch how the market reacts to that. If we get a good reaction from it, and then the market is showing a willingness not to get back up there to that number, that just tells me it's time to sell. So now you gotta find entry to get in your sell to fill this monthly gap at the bottom, all the way down to 42.76 or whatever the number is.
Yeah,
But by this liquidity been sitting here for a long time, we might get a strong reaction from it, dog. All the way back up to 44.85. That's possible.
mm-hmm.
It's possible. So I'm just patient. I'm gonna wait for it. I'm gonna wait for it. If it's showing me that it won't go up to 44.85, that I'm waiting for it. I'm selling that. I'm selling this weekly gap. I mean this monthly gap here. If I'm wrong,
And
I'm gonna die on the hill.
Mike?
Huh?
What you say you're gonna wait for it. What you looking at to see if it's pushing towards 44.85?
That it's not so it's trading. So those levels that we spoke of earlier on the 1 hour and the 4 hour, if it reacts to those levels, but then pushes through those levels, that just tells me we're going higher. So you might get a reaction from those levels, but if we don't close below those levels and show a willingness to go back to the downside, it's telling me that we looking for higher.
Right.
And
I see what you're saying. If we're not getting a rejection.
Yeah, you might get a rejection, but in that same candle, it might keep going. So as soon as the candle touch it, it might touch it in the first 15 minutes of the candle, and you might get a response, 10, 15 points, and then all of a sudden they just shoot back up to the upside. That just lets me know that we're not ready to sell yet.
Yeah, we do like them long the market and balance shit to where on an hourly the wicks, the level is the same, but the wicks keep on going higher after every candle.
Yeah.
It's showing you that it's trying to get up there.
It's trying to push up.
Yeah, so
okay.
Mike is saying on a smaller, it'll be determined by the smaller time frame.
In a smaller time frame, exactly. That's exactly what I'm saying.
And watch, I know at one point the RSI was, even for like this level, the RSI was letting you know we needed to go up a little bit. And that's what it did. I think it was like that. The 4 hour could, like I said, could potentially go up. The RSI is still super low on that motherfucker. So the gap we talking about, this 4 hour gap and that number on a 4 hour, we could get that relief from it. On the weekly level, we could get that relief. That's the 4 hour. What we got on the daily? Daily down there. I don't think we're gonna get I don't know we're gonna get a green candle on the daily. If it's green, it's gonna stop like up here.
Yeah,
it's gonna stop like right there. It's gonna be very small. This is one green already. So that one little green, we could get a wick. That bitch could push through all this shit. So I'd definitely be looking at multiple time frames. I'm gonna be watching my EMA. I was doing all this shit. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna be watching this EMA. If we break above it, then I'll be willing to buy. I'm hoping all of it come at the same time and not like the 4 hour closing here, but it don't break this EMA. So now I'll be damned up. Hopefully, when we open, this EMA could fall down here and they break at the same time. And now I'm taking it to the upside. But same thing. Bounce up. What they call it? Is that a pullback?
What you mean?
From the fall? Or what do they call that shit?
Retracement?
Dead cat bounce or some shit? Yeah, with a retracement, whatever.
A dead cat bounce?
I think we going up to go down some more.
Yes, sir. The gap got to get filled before I even think about, okay, now we could start talking about
Bye.
Buying. Like buying for real. Like
Go back to your shit too, man. I'm about to pull it up and I'll share it. Knox. Uh, so we still in, like, looked at a few, or like a month or so ago. Y'all see the seasonality chart?
mhm.
Yeah.
So
Is
we
that?
still, huh?
Oh shit! I didn't know that. I thought the lowest drop was in August. I didn't know we dropped a little bit more
You
in
got
September
quiet
too.
witching right here, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You're gonna start the rebound after. So
Wait.
even
Oh,
if it's like a
I'm coming. Hold on. Hold on.
consolidation and not selling lower, well, this is a sell lower. And then you got your consolidation right here. And it might run or whatnot, depending on what news is being pushed out there. But for the most part, these next 2 months, you can't really go long. And it has those potential numbers that's lower that is showing that it want to go to. On a bigger time frame, it's showing you it won't go down more. Started the first day of August, went from the high and it's been dropping. So now they saying September you could go even lower. You know what I'm saying? The percentage of the months going closing higher than it opens. So 40%. And then wherever this monthly close, there's a 25% chance wherever it opens next month, that is going to be that high. So you went from a 40% chance that it's going to be higher. September open, it opens at 44.11. There's a 25% chance that it's going to be above. It's going to be a green candle. Put it like that. Then you just find a spot. Where could it sell to? You know what happened here. That's quiet witching. So interesting. This based up. I'm about to tell you the shit probably was lower, but you know, for COVID, because this 2019 to 2023 for COVID, you got that March sale. But this messing with the numbers too.
Mm.
Yeah, all the people was buying. The buying shit.
Mm.
Hold on.
Damn.
Trying to see how you get rid of these tabs. Now, which one is it? Okay, that's none. I think that's 2020. The shit was just being bought like crazy. Yeah, this sell off and shit just got bought. I think you did have a sale in September. That's when I learned about the quiet witcher shit. The market had like dipped down again,
Mm.
but the market was running at the March. And you going off of not necessarily an all-time high, you're
Mm.
going off a monthly open. So April, it was higher in April. It was higher in May, June, July, so on and so forth. In September, it went down. In October, it went down. Those two are red candles. And the reason these are 100 is because it's only 1 year. You see what I'm saying? So it's either higher or lower. There's nothing to go off. Then you start adding in each year. That's how you get those numbers. This year. Can't teach all graphs in one day, but
Should have learned that shit in seventh
right.
grade.
You gotta think though, 100%. That means all 5 years. That July is a green candle. You see what I'm saying?
So
That's what
go.
it ran.
You could go. You could go look at it and look at the chart, and it'll tell you.
Sure can.
You sure can, bub. Alrighty then. Mm-mm.
July. Big green.
I see. Yeah, July green. That July green. Oh, green. Yeah,
Green.
you ain't never lying.
Boy is it. Green. Green. And then once you get people to like we think of it in taxes, right? No one wants to pay taxes, but everybody pay taxes. So if they telling you, even with the economy being fucked up, and they giving us this thing that's saying everybody buy July, even if you don't believe you should be buying, this is what everybody doing. So I don't believe we should pay taxes, so I ain't paying it. No, you're gonna fucking pay it because everybody's paying taxes. You dig? So there's 100% chance of buying in July. You buy. It don't matter what if they talking about a recession. You buy it. You know, the data is there.
So,
That's what I got for that one.
hey, you want to go to the hood right quick?
I'm already here, bro. I heard somebody talking. When he talked, we know where he won't go at. He was just asking us little
Oh
future
yeah,
questions. You know,
yeah.
gonna pop up.
He gonna go to Spy and SPX.
Before we got out, he'd be like, "Y'all good?" He's gonna look at Roblox for me right quick, dog. Okay. Go to old people. You get the chart up?
Nah, it's still yes.
It's still on other thing.
Yeah.
Now,
Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Would you look at that malarkey?
Like this one failed, and
Yep.
it gave you entry. Do you know how to play the gap? Gap right. Close inside, and it so long fill the gap. Now you got paid. That boy good, bro. That boy Mike Cold, huh? Hmm. That is dirty. You got fucked over on this one.
I bet about to keep selling.
Oh hey, I ain't gonna hold you though. I'm hit on this one. Cause if this bitch would have closed in here on the weekly, I'm taking this down. I'm selling 219
Mhm.
Ran through that motherfucker. Living my life like it's good.
It's the part of the Zoom why I tune out because I don't do hood rat things.
I was in the 380.
Jamarcus, this is for you. Tesla. Nigga don't even talk about Tesla no more.
I did. You better go back. I said 208.
But you did say that.
Got a little bit more to go.
Oh man.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Ain't give you no entry, but this one closed inside, and it just kept falling. I'd have been right here, just holding my hand, like, "Fuck, bruh, let me in. Hey, yo, dog, let me in." Yeah, it's a good spot. I would watch Tesla, dog. It probably could keep selling. You hear me?
Yeah, I think so. I think all that shit. So I think Nvidia, somebody got earnings or something this week or some
Here you
chips.
go. Tesla need to come all the way down here and finish this monthly gap. I bet it need to come to 204. Yep. 204. Would I be selling from this 215? Probably not.
Nah, because it probably could go higher.
Yeah, where you got it at? So it was talked about, I don't know what the number, 235 or some shit like that.
Mm-hmm.
They were saying 208. So you way past your halfway mark. Who else? The Apple done selling. What? What are you doing down there? It shouldn't have broke this. It shouldn't have broke that.
This is monthly or weekly?
This is weekly.
Mm-mm-mm. What do we have here?
Found some more. Maybe you go all the way to 170. I had 177 at the bottom for Apple, but you go 170, I'm guessing.
Yeah, 170, 168, something like that. Blake, what you doing, dog? Huh? Damn.
Coming down. Yo,
That hood rat shit.
how's it feeling? That's the question.
Mm, that bitch ain't bouncy yet. Man, that's crazy, though.
That's why
I think we need somebody that's in the hood that's looking at hood rat shit all day, bro. Because I don't be looking at this shit at all. I be on the
I
EL.
just come through here like on some Baby and Master P, just hand out turkeys and stuff. But come back now telling me nobody in the hood eat fucking turkey. They all vegans.
Oh
You know what I'm
shit.
saying?
You California?
I bought a boatload of turkeys, and they'll say, "Well, I mean, we appreciate you, but you're not really eating no turkey, though. Eating
Cauliflower. They boys eating
cauli-
cauliflower nuggets and shit.
cauliflower roast, cauliflower
Man.
roast, bro. Broccoli casserole.
Mm.
Delicious. You know what I'm saying?
That's a terrible way to die. Ooh. That's a terrible way to die. God damn.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this one coming down.
You talking about-
Yeah, it's probably gonna come down.
Netflix.
Fucking cheesy.
Netflix. Damn. That bitch about to keep selling.
Hey, especially if you can get outside this box. So there go your other one right here, Mike.
Huh?
Look at this shit. The monthly.
Mm. Mm.
Bounce, biggie, bounce. Work that back. Come in there. Hold on, bruh.
350.
If it works, it works. Got your level right up. Huh?
350, brother.
How you gonna play that? I'm gonna play the gap, bro. Gonna get you paid. Gonna get you paid. That's what's gonna happen with it. Remove this. When they come back up here, I'm gonna play the gap bounce. Find a level in the gap. Point. Okay, then bye bye now.
Alrighty then.
We recorded from 72. Sold the bitch down to 375 with the possibility.
350.
Yeah.
342.
Ooh, I'm putting Netflix on my chart.
It's too late.
God damn it.
Look at this.
That's beautiful.
Where that first line at? Your top line?
This one?
No. At the bottom of the green box.
Right here?
Yeah, what is that?
You would have got in at 77. You would have been selling.
And where we at right now?
We're
Oh my
at
God.
404. And your target would have been $100 lower.
Wow.
You wouldn't need a big contract now. These are monthly candles. So that's 1 month. You already in the green though, because as soon as it touched, it didn't stay up there the whole month. It started selling off. Then you got this one that's red.
You probably getting out this trade this week.
Depending on what you bought, you got to a 6 month. You hear me? I'm imagining that's a high contract though. But you're 100 points out the money.
I'm about to look at it. Hold up.
You're 100 points out the money. Here go the other one.
With them 470. What's the number?
Yes. All right.
You ready?
Yeah. All right.
What's the white line at the bottom in the middle? 376.
376.
I'm about to see how much them shit.
All right.
It'd have been like a November contract. So you think 2 months back, then you add 6 to it. That'll put you at 7. Oh, so it'd been like the top of the year. January 3/7.
January 24th.
Yeah.
370. Ooh, them bitches is.
I'm gonna hop back in with. Well, I'm gonna get up with y'all about this later, man. But
All right.
take care of some kids I eat.
That bitch was That bitch is $23.
Right now?
Yeah.
Hold on, bro.
You all right? You all right? I saw you. Gotta get up. Get back on your bike, bro. You're a big boy. Handle your business. There you go.
A January 370 call. Wait, which one you had, Mike? Oh, it's a
Alternate.
foot, huh?
The put, yeah.
Nothing.
The low was what? That bill still high.
You're on up 100% because of that time. So you think if you got in, I'm gonna say that was the low. This bitch just starting to turn around. Your high probably gonna be 51. That's because you bought so much time on it. It was a safety play. Still not bad. You had 100% a few weeks later. Like it. Like it a lot. Netflix. The last one we could roll out. You play this cell? Mike? Everybody? Yeah.
Oh, what you said? What you said? My bad.
Oh, look, right quick, this was the last one I was do. Meta.
Mm-hmm.
So Meta, you got a bitch close inside the gap. The retrace. So you got the fill right here. I was saying, do you play that retrace of it?
Yeah, you take that from
Right here? Or right
no,
here?
either there or a little lower. What's up? Yeah, right under that green candle. 295. So 294.
95?
Mm-hmm. Take that all the way down to 240.
I'll probably, if you get in a good enough trade, you could take it from, I would take it from 290.
For real. And just sit in it.
Same thing, almost like the same thing we talking about with with the futures. Like you're gonna have to pick one of these numbers. It can sell from here. It can sell from right in the middle. The middle, that's splitting the difference. You go with Mike's number at 295. The upside, what, 300,
Mhm.
295, or 290. But yeah, take the middle, 295. It's probably only gonna
But
be
look,
like a
ain't nobody on the Zoom right now trade options, bro.
oh, there.
It's just me, you, and I think that's
Supreme?
Supreme.
Oh, my bad. My bad, bro.
No.
We good on futures anyway, though, right?
Yes, sir. Wrap this up, bro.
That's a wrap, bro.
That's a wrap. Hey, bro, go to the
What's up?
Apple Store, dog.
Go to who?
Go to the Apple Store, bro.
Okay.
Take care
All
of
right,
that, bro. You deserve
I'm
that, dog. You deserve
Yo.
that, bro.
I'm out of here.
You deserve it, bro.
Wait, deserve what?
A new phone, bro.
Oh, that bitch coming Monday, bro.
Oh, okay, okay.
Coming Monday, dog.
All right.
Till then, keep me posted.
All right, dog.
All right.